either a collector's item or Arnold's somewhere in the neighborhood. Holy shit. What a workout today was, guys. Holy, 1 hour on the elliptical. 1 hour. I've never done an hour on any sort of like running or an hour of anything like that. Unheard of for this guy, especially going from where I was to where I am now. Time to get changed, time to get ready. Ready to go outside of the Vancouver area and essentially gonna do some exploring. Gonna go down a few. I'm gonna grab something to eat first. That's the most important thing. And then I gotta buy some food to prep for later because I want tomorrow's meals, the next day, and the next day after that. So, man, I feel great after the gym. 2.5 hours. I know what you guys are thinking. 2.5 hours is a long time to be at the gym. 2.5 hours isn't that long to be at the gym. 2.5 hours is perfect for somebody like me. I had a lot of energy, especially before I've got to work tonight. When I say I gotta work tonight, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later about what I mean by working and what kind of work I am doing. As long as I get the gym out of the way, I'm a happy man. Let's get changed. You said Cajun and Italian?
Cajun, Italian, barbecue.
Let's try the Italian, please.
Breast or leg?
I get a
Order breast or
yeah, breast, please. Yeah. Yeah.
With gravy?
No, just that. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
So it comes to $5.75.
Got it. Did you see the size of that chicken? For $5.50. $5.50. That was a big piece of chicken, and then size, and then she even asked if you want like gravy and everything like that. Urban Fare, where have you been? You have been a block away from the gym the entire time, and here I have been settling for other things. What a fool. That little guy that you see behind me there, he's been coming after me for my chicken for like the last 5 minutes. Just waiting patiently, but I don't know how patient he's gonna be because he's not getting shit from me. He's swooped around, he's come back around while I was doing a time lapse, and he thinks he's gonna get my chicken. By the way, the Cajun chicken, that was from Urban Fare there. The Italian one, I recommend it. So good. What the fuck has it been my life? Okay, I was gonna make a comment about how warm it is in November, the middle of November, but as I walk like 6 blocks, all of a sudden I'm like, I need to put my jacket back on. Although I do love the Vancouver shirt, which link is in the description below. No, it is not a paid for sponsorship. I just love their product, so I love promoting their stuff. They have not given me permission to do so either, so I really hope that I don't offend anybody. But again, not paid for. They're not asking me to promote them. I just love their clothes, so go check them out. Definitely link in the description below. Oh man, it is finally nice. You guys can't even see me. It is nice to be home. Finally home. You know what's the best part about being home too as well? Is the fact that I have all this food now that I get to cook. It is gonna be a glorious night. It is Monday Night Raw. Hopefully I can get some sort of stream. I haven't been able to watch wrestling properly in weeks. I am starving. I know that I just finished eating, but I've got all this nice good food and it's time to cook. Let's get to it. Do you guys remember earlier when I talked about work and I said that I'd come back to it later? Well, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what I do. Now, before, as you could see a few videos back, I ended up leaving a long-time job that I've been doing for 10 years. Here where I am, I swear to God. But now I am at my happiest I have ever been. Only because I'm finally doing what I want to do. And it's not like somebody's telling me exactly what to do. I mean, I do have bosses if you think about it. My clients are my bosses. They're the ones that they want the best out of what they're asking for. So my point to be saying that is that this little guy right here, this laptop, this is my office. This camera that I'm shooting on is also part of my job too as well. I am an independent editor, I am an independent photographer, and I am an independent videographer. So essentially I am for hire. So anybody who wants me to do weddings, birthdays, they want, you know, special events, they want a short film, whatever it is. They want some photos taken for engagement, or they want it just for the sake of a new profile photo. I've had people ask me for that. Or even I've had people ask me for headshots. That is my business. I run it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't sleep. And it's nice to finally be doing something that I want to do. Here's the funny part about it too as well. Is normally, you know, you've got your 9 to 5 job or nights or weekends, whatever it is that you might have, and you feel like there's not enough time in the day. But working for yourself, I could get up and go to the gym, and I feel like I've got all day. I sleep for maybe 3-4 hours at best. I did before, but now because I am running at my own pace, I feel so much better about it. So if you're looking to make a jump and do what you want to do and follow your passion, get out there and do it. I recommend it. For me, I just needed a laptop, only about $600-700. I need a camera, you know, some equipment, a microphone, some lights, whatever it is. I've got everything set up. Man, feels really good. Well, that's the end for today, guys. I really appreciate you watching. You know, gonna be with the supermoon and everything else that's happened throughout the day. I'm hoping tomorrow is gonna be just as good as this video. I apologize for the lack of the videos and not being on the channel or putting up any sort of content. More videos are coming your way. Gearing up for a big adventure that's coming out. I haven't told you guys exactly what's going on, but I will lay down all the information for you very soon, and all the information in case anybody else wants to go do the same thing. It's been a long day. I'm winded. I'm tired. Man. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Thank you guys so much, and remember, I think you all know what I'm gonna say. I haven't said it in a while, have I? Always be positive. We'll see you next time on Life with Buzz. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you did like today's video, please give us a big fat thumbs up. If you didn't like today's video, please give us a big fat thumbs up. If you want to see yesterday's video or the previous video, go up to the top over there, click that nice little box right there. That's right, that one. That'll take you to yesterday's video. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, which I recommend that you should, click that head that's down there below. And if you want to go see one of the most amazing channels, one of my good friends, go click that head down there, or that button, or that logo, or whatever I put down there, and go check out Run Free Doug. So much cool stuff coming up on that channel. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to always be positive. We'll see you next time on Life with Buzz.